Hey guys, my name is Kedor, and coming up in this Revit tutorial, I am going to show you how to attach a wall to a curved stair in Revit. So before I get started, please subscribe to my channel, like and leave a comment as this helps me out a lot. So let's dive in. The first step is to create a wall at the edge of the underside of the stairs. Let's create a wall sweep void. This void will be used to cut away portions of the wall that you don't need. Cut the wall with the sweep void created, like so. And that's it. It's that easy in 2 simple steps. Thanks for watching this tutorial. Please subscribe, leave a comment, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.